THI एजुकेशन चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक शेयर कमेंट और हाँ बेल आइकॉन को दबाना न भूलें ताकि हमारे सभी वीडियो की जानकारी सबसे पहले आपको मिलती रहे।
हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू THI एजुकेशन चैनल। मैं आपकी कंप्यूटर साइंस टीचर एंड आज का हमारा टॉपिक है ई ग्रुप। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट ई ग्रुप। व्हाट इज ई ग्रुप? ई ग्रुप is a feature that on social networking sites that provide the facility on post, like, comment and post the update and from their own interest. Means if you are interested, then you read the post and comment it. Okay, so what is the definition of e-group in computer language? Definition of e-group in computer language: an e-group refers to the community where people discuss on topic of a common interest. Means a group is a platform that provide the user facility to the user and to discussion, okay, on the discussion, and a message posted in such a discussion is known as post. Means which message you posted is called the post. Okay, what is the post? Is a message posted in such a discussion is known as post. Okay, all the posts are listed together on a discussion board which is viewable by to the all members of group. Okay, मीन्स आप जो भी पोस्ट अपडेट करते हैं, जो भी पोस्ट डालते हैं, वो आपके ग्रुप के सारे मेंबर्स के द्वारा देखा जा सकता है। ठीक है, इट इज व्यूएबल टू ऑल द मेंबर्स ऑफ ग्रुप। ओके, सो व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ ई ग्रुप? बेनिफिट्स ऑफ e-group. Okay, the lots of benefits of e-group. For example, you save our time. Means you save the time. You can save your time by online conversation. Okay, and you can save your your time. Okay, and if you interested to read the post and comment on this post, then you read and comment. After all, ignore it. Okay, if you are interested, if you are interested, then read and comment. Read and comment. Otherwise, ignore it. Okay, okay, and nowadays lots of people are very busy, so it is very helpful for those people who are very busy. Okay, e-groups are perfect for people in with a busy schedule. Okay, e-groups are perfect schedule. Perfect connecting with E group. Okay, people can save the time with connecting the people. Okay, it saves the lots of time, and in the by the E group conversation is very easy and it is more beneficial. More beneficial for busy people. The E group is a simply group that can be viewed as a way to provide an online environment. It is a simply group. It is simply a group that can be viewed way to an online environment to provide an online environment like-minded individuals, like-minded individuals can come together and to discuss and share the information. To discuss and share the information. Okay, means if you want to share the information, and so the E group is the best platform for you for sharing the information on discussion on any topic. Okay, it provides the best online platform. Okay, E group often a board. E group often a board that is called the discussion board. That is called the discussion board. Okay, what is discussion board? Discussion board means E group provides a board that is called the discussion board. Okay, by the discussion board you can discuss the information and discuss with the people in a easy manner. Okay, you can discuss with the people is an easy manner. Okay, friends, this is the basic details of basic knowledge of e-group. This is the your introduction of e-group. This topic is very big, so we discuss about the e-group in details and in the next lecture. So thank you for today class. Okay.